Okay, hi, we're Monday, and perhaps today we have an interesting vlog menu, I would say. I've wanted for my, well, Blackmagic Pocket, but in general I wanted to have like a long lens. Back in the days with my Canon I had this EFS lens, but which I cannot use with my Blackmagic Pocket. It's my camera. I also have this Sigma lens, which I don't really know what it's worth because it's for Minolta, so I've never really mounted it. Now, so today I have two options. Either try to modify this mount in order to fix it on my camera, or I could actually just trim this edge here and make this lens working with my Blackmagic Pocket. What would be good with this one is it's stabilized. So I would have stabilization with my, assuming it works. But okay, so last step for today, I'm gonna trim this later with Dad, but waiting for him to be ready. Also, I had this on my Blackmagic Pocket. I had this rubber cover which was peeling off, and I take advantage of this to open it because now I have access to the screws and try to fix this base plate, which is kind of wobbly, which is annoying. Moving to okay. At the moment I took this one piece as you know it and I trimmed it off, so I have now two pieces, one of which should perfectly fit this metabone. It should come in here and click perfectly. Okay, and so I've reused the inner ring here, as you might see. Now it's moment of truth. I'm gonna try it. The IF still works. Yep. And the stabilizer. And the stabilizer works, so the objective of the lens is still working. Works, which is rather cool because I don't really have €1,000 to waste. Now let's try this one. Tuck. Let's see how this one works. Alors, start. Aperture works. And now if I turn on the stabilizer, I do have a stabilizer. Oh boy. So conclusion, yay, I just saved like $500. I love this road for this one and only one reason, is there's always beautiful sunset there. And so enjoy the view, guys. Je sais pas si la caméra va encore le filmer, mais Gauthier emballe Robin.
Il y a des araignées là-dedans. Ok.
Il y a des araignées là-dedans.
Ah, Xavier, c'est 5 kilos le kilo. I'm one of the force is with me.
So, it's 4 AM, 4:30. Day is almost up. And I'm here to do a time lapse. Well, technically day is up, but not quite. Yep, it's been a very long day. Very long.